Welcome this video how to make a rustic gardening bed from pallet. Create a rustic gardening bed for pallet is an excellent way to repurpose old wood while enhance your gardening. Not only is this an affordable project, but it's also allow you to control soil quality and loading to help planting. This gas will take you through the step-by-step process to make a rustic gardening bed. Use reclaim pilot. Choose the right pallet. Not allow pallet are soft for gardening. Use look for hard pallet. Make with as those are free from chattering transforming that could your pallet make with MB as then contacts you can often find pallet for free at loading home store or recycle central. Cut the wood to size. Cut the wood board to your gardening bed. Stud size